Alright guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be going over the trade I took. Today is Wednesday, November 19th. Today I took one trade, caught a minor win. There's definitely something I could have done, so I'm going to go over it in today's trading recap. So without further ado, let's just hop right into it. Alrighty, so let me first clear out where's market open at. So I'll go replay. Let me clear up all this stuff. Alrighty. So going into the day, I was very lenient on my daily bias. I was just gonna see what side we manipulate on. Maybe we just keep running higher to whatever we do, but I didn't have a bias. I mean, going into this 1 hour, I noticed that we tapped into that with this candle right here at the 8 a.m. candle. We wicked down, presenting it, and then we immediately go up. That was one sign I was kind of leaning to higher buy side liquidity areas like these. So that was one thought I was keeping in mind. Then looking at this 15-minute, I was like, okay, there's a point of interest if we want to inverse that. I want to see this sell side get taken right here. I want to see that get taken. Zooming into the 1 minute now during market open. What time is it? 9 minutes till market open. We manipulate lower. Want to see changing the state. Want to see this sell side get taken. Obviously doesn't. Looking internally, 15-second, price is super choppy. When I looked internally at the 15-second, I was like, okay, I'm not going to trade today or I'm at least not going to trade for this time period because we also had Nvidia news coming out, so that gave me another reason. It was very choppy. We did manipulate this. I wanted to see this via our manipulation on the 15-second. We had our change in the state right here, also balanced with the 1 minute change in the state. Zooming now to the 1 minute. I didn't see anything I really liked. I was watching price. This sell side level didn't end up getting swept. I was like, okay, we inverse now the 15-minute. I want to see what price wants to do. I want to see this buy side, these relative equal highs as a drawn liquidity. So once this 936 and 934 candle created the first presented for value gap right here. Once this first presented candle, this was my main trading confluence for today. So I'm trying to see if price taps back into it. And maybe if we inverse it, I want to see lower because then we did take this high and this high. And then I want to see these sell side get taken. But I'm using this as a confluence for trading. So I'm watching. We wick down. This candle ends up stopping around concurrent encroachment of this first presented. This next candle was the big candle for me. I wanted to see something. This is the story. We have this big move. Immediately after this big move, I'm like, okay, I know we want to go higher to take these relative equal highs out. I entered the trade at some point right here, put my stop a little bit under this 1 minute wick, targeting this higher level buy side. One problem I had with this, one major problem, I didn't get, this was amazing entry. We go, instantly tap into it. One problem I have with this trade is there's all these buy side up here. Like there's so much extra buy side liquidity that I should have left a runner on for these, because I only got capped out at $700 for this trade, even though I could have capped out at like 1.5 if I would have left runners on. So definitely, because we end up just shooting straight up. And I mean, that's what I wanted to see. This first presented gave me the confluence that we wanted to go higher. I just should have had better positioning and should have been smarter with my sizing so I could take partials and let runners go. But honestly, not a bad trade. Immediately after this, we shot up 400 points, hopped off. Market ended up moving really good today. We shoot up. We take, I think, one more bit of buy side. Yep, this right here. We take this buy side and then end up dumping to these relative equal lows that NQ created. Just straight up pumped and then dumped, which was amazing price action. But I mean, this was a quick trading recap. I mean, there's nothing I could have, there's so much stuff I could have done different, but I mean, this is why I do trading recaps, so I can learn from my trades. This was a perfect example of letting runners go. And yeah. Alrighty guys, if you did enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe, and journal your trades. That's one thing I want you to take away from this. Journal your trades. And also, this would help you out a lot, because I know it helped me out, is recording yourselves live trading, because this shows your real emotion when you get riled up when you're in a trade. Maybe when you're kind of getting tilted if you lose a trade, but definitely record your trades, learn off of it. The market is about repeating the same thing every day until you master it. So anyways, hope you all have a great rest of y'all's day, and peace out.